Imagine you're staring up at the night sky, a vast expanse of stars stretching out before you. Now, imagine if you could invest in those stars and the very future of space exploration. Have you ever wondered what it would be like to own a piece of the cosmos? To have a stake in the next great human adventure? Welcome to the world of the Spaceship Investment Company. We're not just a financial firm, we're pioneers, explorers, and dreamers. We're here to bridge the gap between your terrestrial investments and the boundless potential of the extraterrestrial. What we do. At Spaceship Investment Company, we specialize in providing innovative investment opportunities that align with the rapidly evolving space industry. Our goal is to make space exploration accessible to everyone, not just the wealthy and powerful. Here's a glimpse into what we offer. Space exploration funds. Invest in funds that directly support groundbreaking space missions, from launching satellites to sending humans to Mars. Asteroid mining ventures. Become a part of the future of resource extraction by investing in companies exploring the untapped wealth of asteroids. Space tourism opportunities. Join the revolution of space travel by investing in companies developing commercial space flights. Space infrastructure development. Support the construction of space stations, lunar bases, and other critical infrastructure that will pave the way for future human habitation beyond Earth. Why invest with US? Investing in space exploration is not just about financial returns, it's about being a part of something truly extraordinary. By investing with Spaceship Investment Company, you are contributing to the advancement of human civilization and helping to secure our future among the stars. Here's why you should choose us. Experienced team. Our team is composed of industry experts with deep knowledge of space exploration and investment. Diversified portfolio. We offer a wide range of investment options to suit your risk tolerance and financial goals. Ethical approach. We prioritize sustainability and responsible space exploration in all our investments. Transparent communication. We believe in open and honest communication with our investors. The future of humanity lies beyond the Earth. And at Spaceship Investment Company, we're here to help you be a part of that future. So, if you're ready to embark on a journey to the stars, join us today. Visit our website to learn more and start investing in the future of space exploration. With that said, thanks for watching. And until next time, keep looking up.